Every day, wild creatures across the planet conquer the unique challenges of their natural habitats. From dark and damp rainforests, to the deepest seas, to sun-soaked, arid deserts. Even in the harshest of conditions, they press on and thrive. The raw essence of survival is a powerful motivator.
Evolution is one of the most direct and pure processes on Earth, but that doesn't make the result any less rewarding or exciting. Adaptation in both form and function results in enhanced intelligence and resourcefulness. But, of course, there is no successful evolution without variation. Changes to genetic code can be expressed in dramatic ways, from unexpected speed and precision to even the way they announce their arrival. The more highly tuned senses become, the faster they react to their perceived threats. The theory of evolution in its purest and most successful form.